You know you a queen. You know you a queen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I think I'm gonna call you guys my angels because, you know, my middle name is Angelica. But yeah, I am back with another hair review slash tutorial. I think when I go and edit the tutorial that it's gonna be all over the place because this is my first time ever doing a crochet style on my own hair. I will see in the later clips what two methods I did, and I did record both. So yeah, this is what the crochet hair came packaged in. I got what are these called? The butterfly locks, and they are very cute. They come from a brand named Niseyo. But yeah, Niseyo, I guess they're made for handmade crochet hair, and it is an Amazon business. So I will leave a link to this exact hair in the in my description. I'll have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 locks left, and I cut up one. I cut up one just to kind of see if I could cut my hair. I didn't want to cut my hair and then it unraveled, but I did cut one of the ends off just so I could see if the rest of the lock would unravel, and it did, so I didn't cut it. This is I didn't cut it, I didn't do anything to it. This is just how it's been in my hair. I actually did my hair about 2 days ago, but I'm just now getting in the groove of getting in the mood to record this drop and edit the video and put it out. But yeah, that is where the hair comes from. I got it in the color 1B, and it matches pretty well, as you can't see my hair anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I have my foundation down to where I could part it on the side, I could part it in the middle if I wanted to, and I could part it on the left side as well. However deep I want the part, I could part it on that side as well. And I can also do a half up, half down too. So yeah, I could do a half up, half down as well. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and put my hair in the half up. But yeah, this is what it looks like, half up, half down. This is really how I keep it because I don't really like a whole bunch of hair down in my face. Yeah, if you like the way that my hair looks right now, keep watching. Make sure that y'all hit that like button. Make sure that y'all subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video to anybody who is trying to learn to do their own hair, or to anybody who needs some winter styles or protective styles for not even just the winter, the summertime to springtime, summertime, fall. But yeah, make sure that y'all leave me some beautiful comments. Like I said, hit that like button and make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell next to the subscribe button. Bye, my angel. All right guys, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. You'll see that I'm just sectioning each part off, and then I am just plaiting it down. Some of these I will be doing individual crochets, and then the others I will be interlocking together. When I go back and look at this hairstyle, I feel like I could have just did the whole interlocking method. It would have been much faster. So you will see me do the individual part. If you want to do the individual part, by all means do it, but for me it was just like very time consuming and a waste of time because I never wore this style outside of the half up, half down. So it would work if I was parting it and wearing the hair down, but I never wore it like that. So I probably could have just did the connect the dots, as you'll see later. I don't think I did a good example of it, but if y'all want a video of how I do the connect the dot foundation that I got from Forever Chrissy, so if y'all follow her, please go check out her videos, or if you don't follow her, go check out her videos, give her some love. I got that method from her. She calls it connect the dots, and I really love I really love that method. It's really easy for the girls who cannot cornrow very well, and still want a flat foundation for their crochet braids. But yeah, I just went through and did window parting and then plaited those parts down. Alright, for the rest of this style, you're just going to need the crochet hair and a crochet needle. I say for this style, I think they gave me like 7 packs of crochet hair, and I used about 6.5 packs of the hair. So I just take the crochet needle, put it through the base of the hair, connect the crochet hair onto the crochet needle, pull it through the base, and then open up the loop, and then bring the end of that lock through the loop and tighten the loop. After I do all of that, I will show y'all how I go back and conceal my braided plait inside of the lock. Alright, so like I said in the beginning of the video when I did my drop, I just found this method to be extremely time consuming, and I kind of regret it because I just wanted this to be a quick hairstyle and it took way longer than what I really wanted it to take. I say if you want a more versatile hairstyle, then do this method, but if you're not going to be doing much with this hairstyle as far as like wearing it down or putting it up in ponytails or anything like that, I say just to do the connected dot method. It's much faster and it's easier to take out when you are done with the hairstyle. Alright, so to pull the plait through the lock, you're going to have to open your crochet needle up, feed it through the lock, the top half of the lock, and then once it gets to the knot, you're going to grab a hold of your plaited down hair, close the crochet needle, and then pull it through the lock, and you're going to continue working your way down until you no longer see that plait showing. It looks easier and it sounds easier than it actually was. I feel like if these locks weren't as tight as they were, and maybe like a little looser, thicker, or softer than these goddess locks, it would have been much easier for me to do this method. But if I ever buy these locks again or get these locks again from a company, I will definitely just do the connected dots. I'm like swearing by that method because it was just a lot easier. Shout out to Forever Chrissy again for that. I'll link her videos down. I'll link her method down in the description box as well, because I want to give her, the credit, because I don't know if she created that method, but she is the first person that I saw doing that method. So yeah, I'll definitely give her credit down in that description bar, and I've been following her for years, so I definitely want to show love. Even though I'm a smaller channel, I definitely want to show love to her. But yeah, as you can see, it just took a long time to do this little part. And this is sped up. This is just too much. It's too much. So this part is pretty easy. In the last clip, I showed y'all how I did the feed-in method, is what I like to call it. But this right here is the connected dots. So as you can see, those two parts, or those two squares, are connected to each other with a rubber band, and you basically just pull that lock through the base, and then open up that loop, pull the end of that lock through the loop and tighten it up a little bit, and then you just work your way on back. So as y'all watch this see-through, I guess I will start the review part. I really loved this hair. I just didn't like that one method, but I really loved this style in general. It was, I don't know, it was just like very natural to me, and even if you didn't know what you were doing and it kind of looked messy, it just flowed because the locks aren't perfect locks, they're butterfly locks, so they have little pieces sticking out of it and they look a little frayed and stuff like that. So even if you don't know what you're doing and your braids probably look sloppy underneath, as long as they're kind of like on the smaller side and you put enough of the crochet hair on there to fill in like the gaps and the parts where you can see the braids, you will be fine. You will be a-okay. But this style lasted, I think I did this like a couple days or the week before. No. Yeah, I think I did this like a couple days before Christmas. I'm not sure. Or after. I know it was before New Year's, and I didn't take this style out until about 3 weeks later. So I think I had this style in for a total of 3 weeks. I'm not sure about the specifics, but I almost had it in for a month, and I took it out last week. Today is the 27th of January, and I just took that style out last week. So yeah, I've had this in for a good amount of time. It was very easy to take care of and manage. I got up, I greased my scalp, put it in a bonnet overnight. Sometimes I slept without a bonnet. Who cares? Like, it's just a braided style. It's a protective style. And yeah, it was pretty easy to take out. You have to be careful. If you do the feed-in method, you need to be careful to not cut your own hair. Just cut it longer and try to unravel it that way. But don't cut it too short and then risk cutting your hair, because I did that in the back. Luckily it was just one braid in the back, but it'll be okay. It's just hair, it will grow back. But yeah, let me know how you guys feel about this style, and just continue watching. We're almost to the end. Make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that bell next to the subscribe button. Make sure you share this video to get me some exposure. Leave a like and leave a beautiful comment in the comment section, and make sure that y'all use that link in my description box to check out Forever Chrissy's channel and to check out this Amazon shop called Niseyo Hair. Thank you for watching.